Hello, you financial adventure seekers. Today you're gonna find out how to drastically change your approach to trading. Forget the conventional and familiar ways. It's time to explore new strategies that will get you success you deserve. Let's go. Hey guys, analyzing your feedback and reviews, I've come to the conclusion that technical analysis is the most common and popular type of analysis among you. In this video, we'll dive into details of what the key secret to success is and why everyone wants to possess the basics of technical analysis. I'll try my best to give you guys a step-by-step instruction on applying it and making deals thereby. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you actually want to get profits. Meanwhile, we're entering the market right away. As you can see, the first deal will close in 5 seconds and get us $345 of net profit in just 1.5 minutes. Let's figure out the principle this trade was placed by and how you can make the same one. First and foremost, let me remind you guys that technical analysis is a kind of analysis that implies the usage of different graphic patterns, support and resistance levels, trend lines, etc. Basically, it's a visual type of analysis. Everything we can see on the screen is used for the purpose of predicting the price fluctuations. Why did I place the trade downwards? Let me explain it to you real quick. So look, the first thing we can do is highlighting important levels in the chart. This level right here turned out to be a support level for this earlier piece and a resistance level for this part. Therefore, when the price reached this level once again from the bottom, I placed the trade downwards because if the market has already reversed twice from this level, what are the chances for it to follow this path for the third time? I think you're gonna agree with me. The possibility of a reversal is pretty high. That's exactly why in this case I placed the trade downwards. Moreover, a reversing figure called head and shoulders has formed right here. It's a very common technical analysis pattern, and normally it appears in potentially reversing areas. And since there's also a resistance level up here, it's just common sense, to assume the market is likely to go for a falling motion. And that's how simple the analysis is. We explained everything in pretty much in detail. I think we made the deal directly right before the falling motion and made a profit off of it. Wonderful. Let's get to the next trading case. So I'm actively preparing to place an upward trade, even more than one perhaps. And while the deals are getting processed, I'd like to remind you guys that I only ever record my videos on this particular platform by y'all's request. So if you're looking for a fast solvent broker, the link to my trading platform is in the description below this video. So what's going on at the moment? Why have I placed the trades upwards? I think it's pretty obvious. The thing is, there's a horizontal support level right here. The chart has bounced off of this level twice, couldn't manage to break it through though. Therefore, my forecast implies the price will bounce off of the level for the third time just as well. Whether that is true or not, we will find out in 5 seconds. Although the market has yet to get any strong reaction, we would actually love to see. I believe our deal will get us a profit. And let's see, that's exactly what's happening. We're earning $280 and the market is finally displaying a reaction to the level. So, getting ready to make another deal, we're placing a trade downwards for the purpose of which we have already highlighted the horizontal level our forecast is based on, predicting the price will reverse right here. Looking a bit more globally, we're making sure it is indeed an important area for the chart that currently plays the role of resistance. The price has approached this area multiple times from the bottom, but didn't manage to break through this line in neither of the previous 3 cases. For the 4th time, I'm thereby making a forecast for the market to fail breaking the horizontal level through once again. As you can see, we are right. The $340 on profit didn't take too long. So guys, we're preparing to make the next deal. I think we're soon to enter the market. Let me place a downward trade right now and explain the logic behind it. There's a trend line. And as you may know, trend lines can be drawn through several reversing points, just like we do with normal horizontal lines. There are 3 reversing points. We're drawing a line through them, something like this. Let me do it real quick, and witnessing this. The price is breaking through the trend line, and I remind you guys, this line was a support level. The price broke it through, came back to test it once again, to retest it, and is now ready to resume the falling motion. Here's how where the retest is and the following falling motion. It's a pretty conventional structure of any level breakthrough, whether that be horizontal or inclined levels. So extremely simple case. Here is a level. In the very beginning, the price repeatedly approaches it, but the range is narrowing with each further repeated step. Afterwards, the chart finally breaks through the line, tests it once again, and the trend resumes. I'm expecting a similar situation here as well. Of course, our deal is rather short term and will now probably lose due to the sudden rising motion right here, but it's alright guys, we're setting $800 as the deal amount instead of $400 and keep trading downwards. Ideally, you would want to place a position for 3 to 4 minutes at the very least here, but I'm trading with shorter deals since I'm recording this video for y'all. I don't really want to take this a while and run too much of long sesh. There is obviously more potential for a falling motion here. If we place a trade with an expiry of 3 minutes or so, I'm certain we'll get a profit. Meanwhile, there are 25 seconds left. Let's just observe and relax. So it's clearly obvious the deal's gonna succeed. It's getting us $680 of profit, subtracting the previous loss 400, and we're left with $280 in net profit. Make sure to not forget switching the deal amount to the initial sum. So I suggest we take a little extra risk and place a trade upwards right here. The case is pretty often occurring. It really looks like the structure I drew for you guys last time. Basically, we've got a horizontal level. Here it is, and let's highlight it. The price repeatedly approaches the level and bounces off of it for less and less of a distance with each time. All this is naturally followed by a breakthrough. The chart gets back to the broken level for a retest. This is the perfect point to open a position upwards at, and then the chart starts rapidly rising. We can make sure the next resistance levels are yet pretty far away, high enough, so we can feel free to safely make a deal in the trend's direction with no issues whatsoever. Summing the whole video up, I have one thing to say left. Always take a technical analysis into account as the base of your decisions to make deals. I have a bunch of videos dedicated to trading with this kind of analysis, so go watch them, apply the freshly gained knowledge and practice, and see me on my today's free trading session on my Telegram channel. The links are in the description, just like always. Thank you guys for watching. I'm wishing you all good luck. Bye bye.